Today in our tutorials on Connect Your Events, we're going to talk a little bit about reports. Now, one of the major benefits of the Connect Your Events platform is the fact that you're putting all your registration data, your attendance data, completion status and scores from courses, basically all the information that you would normally report out of Adobe Connect. You're pushing that data into Salesforce, so therefore you can typically run your reports inside of Salesforce. Now, what a lot of people don't realize is you can actually run Connect Your Events standalone without integrating with Salesforce at all. And you can still get a lot of the same reporting benefits that you would get by having your data pushed into Salesforce. So let's jump into our account setup area on the Connect Your Events portal. And we've got a new link back here under the event management section. There's a link called Reports. Now, once we click on Reports, we can filter by upcoming, on-demand, private, or past events. I'm going to go ahead and filter by past events. And then we've got this event that we ran on April 28th of 2011. You can see that we had 23 registrants. If I click into this space, it'll expand. And we can see that we actually had 12 that attended. This was a free event. If I click View, it'll expand even further. And now I can see some basic summary information about this particular event. And then I've got three different tabs. The first tab is a summary tab, which gives me information like a person's company, their email address, the date that they registered, if they attended the event, the date and timestamp for when they attended. You can see folks that didn't attend. It actually says no for attended. We can also filter by payment information. So if this was a paid-for event, we'd be able to track things like their PayPal transaction ID, the amount of revenue they generated. If they used a coupon code, the coupon code would be listed here as well. We can also filter by training data. So if you were using the system as, say, a partner certification portal and you were listing out either virtual classrooms or even on-demand curriculums, you'd be able to track a score, whether the course was complete or not, and certificate IDs and so on. Now, what really makes our system unique is the fact that we can export this data into a single spreadsheet, and you'll have data that normally, if you were using other systems, if you were, say, for example, using Adobe Connect standalone, using Salesforce standalone, using some kind of platform for integrating into PayPal, using another platform for, I don't know, something else, you'd be able to, here, let me try to get this spreadsheet to fit inside my recording window. You would, you might have to run 4 or 5 different reports in order to get to the same data that we're going to show here in a single spreadsheet. So let me, there we go. So, well, when I export this report into a spreadsheet, we can track things like the event name. We get first names, last names, emails, company names, the registration dates, attendance dates, any custom registration questions they might have responded to, amount paid, PayPal IDs, coupon code groups, discount amounts. Basically, reports that you might normally have to go run in 4 or 5 different systems are now consolidated into a single report that you can export on a per event basis. So just wanted to point this out to folks who thought maybe that the system was completely reliant on Salesforce.com. You can rest assured that the platform can stand alone. You can run these types of reports right inside the system. Or if you are using Salesforce.com, all of these data points that we're looking at here are also pushed over to Salesforce, and you can create your custom reports from over there. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.